Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the time duration on chess.com using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So for example, that you love playing chess, but the time duration that you have is short and you want to make it longer and you don't know how to do that. So this is the right video for you. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for chess.com. And now just go ahead and log in your account by clicking the login button here at the left side of your screen. Or if you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up for one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in my account. I'm gonna log in. So now, as you can see, I have already logged in my account. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the new game. So let's just wait. So here, as you can see at the upper right side of the board, you can see that the time has a 10 minutes duration, right? So for example, you want to change the time, you can just go ahead and click on this drop down button here at the right side of your screen at the upper part of the play button. So here you can see a lot of choices. So you can choose bullet, blitz, rapid, daily. Okay. So here, if you don't know, you can see this two numbers, right? The 1/1, 2/1, 3/2, 15/10. So that means that, for example, this 15/10. So the original time that you have on your game is 15 minutes. But at every move that you make, you can or the timer will add 10 seconds. As you can see, that is 15, the original time, and 10 seconds for every move that you will make. Okay? So now you can just go ahead and start playing, and that is how you change the time duration on chess.com. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.